Hello, this pickup is no start, no dashboard light, no cranking, and I need to fix this, the ignition switch. I need to clean the connection, the contact point. And I will show you how to clean. Inside this there is a lot of I think contact point. I will show you how to open it. Use this one. This is the flat screwdriver, and then poke like this, and the other side. And be careful, there is a spring, small spring, and you don't want to lose that spring, and I will show you. See, this is the contact, and then we will use the contact spray. Okay, we'll use this one, contact spray. Sometimes there is corrosion on all these contact points. Just do like that. Then get the wipe. See, all the black lately already gone. Now it's clean. This is the ignition switch of Nissan Frontier model 1999 or 2000. And then also this, there the spring, and this you'll clean it with the contact spray. Okay. This three spring under this plate, there is also a spring. Okay, all the spring, 1 2 3 4 5 6. We'll clean it. If you disassemble this kind of any kind of ignition switch, just careful with the spring. And check what position they are. And now these two guides, there is two guides. You can just put on it on the original position. That. Okay. And also this, there is a guide. And going there. Just like that. Okay. Now, good. Right, the spring is laying down. There is one more spring, the original. Check. Spring, yeah. Yep. And then like that. Okay. And then this. There is also a guide. All this guide, all this guide mark you need to follow. Okay, this is the guide also from there, and then this big one here, there, and like that. Just press it and click it and done. Okay, we'll try it. Try and try. Simple and easy DIY ignition switch cleaning, because the car won't start, no crank, no light, blah blah blah. Like that. Save your money. Do the DIY. Okay. That. And then put there. Okay. Okay. That. And we will. Forgot my screwdriver. Phillips screwdriver. I hope we'll start now. Very easy, very simple, and I saved my $1. Okay. With me. Ooh. And if you use tools, especially screwdriver, flat screwdriver and Phillips, you need to have the magnetic one, so you will not drop the screw. Okay, we will try to start. Try to start my pickup. Okay, for now, that's it for now for starting. Okay, Nissan Frontier. I will try. You're alive? Holy moly, it's alive! Okay, start. Yahoo! Yeah, that's the DIY ignition switch, disassemble, cleaning the contact, and now it's alive. And there is one more problem, the quickie sounds there. I think the alternator, I will check that later. So bye for now. I hope you learned something, and till my next video for fixing that quickie sound alternator or on the pulley tensioner. Okay, bye bye. Please subscribe and like, comment. Thank you.